Go.
Hi, my name is Monica Susano. I'm 20 years old. I stand 5'6". I enjoy going out with my friends to parties, going to the beach, and visiting people.
Tapos pag
Have you done any commercials?
you talk yourself, my dear. Dapat tumayo ka. Hindi, girl, dapat tumatayo ka, rumarampa ka para nga, 'di ba? Ay, hi.
Rumarampa sa
Hindi BTR, 'di ba, parang may screening? Oh. 'Di ba? Oo nga, ganun lang 'yun.
Si Chris naman.
Ganun naman siya.
Hi, I'm Chris William. I stand 5'11", and I love playing my dick. I enjoy licking the calls of my boyfriend, and actually,
Hi, I'm Yes. I'm looking for a guy who's a big dick. Just kidding.
What the- Say. And then say. Okay. What else?
I have nothing to say.
Cause you're saying, say.
I'm already talking nonsense here.
Oh my God, Shad, what can you say about?
okay, mama.
Taksyapo! Woo!
Tanda ng mga taxi akong logo. Tinatamad na ako.
You want boys lang eh. You want boys lang eh.
Ja,
Gusto ko na
punta na kami dyan.
Oo naman.
move on na ako eh.
Ayaw di ba dito ka?
Hindi. Bakit naman naman?
Oo, stupid siya eh. Kuha naman din ako. Hi! I'm Yas. Ate, munti ko na mabitawan yung cellphone mo sa'yo.
Ay, sabi. Ay! Tamay lang.
I'm Yas.
I have a big body, big butt, big leg. Oh, with a big heart. You know, big heart. I'm just a simple girl who's walking down the street. And then, while walking down the street. Okay, happy. Okay. Eating, sleeping, and eating the big sizes. You know what I'm trying to say? Eating.
Have you done any commercials?
Not yet. Actually, I'm doing right now. Look at me. Something like that. Pussy. You know what? Actually, mentally, spiritually, malunggali.
Amogali. Ano?
Look at see Joe. Joe is washing his clothes. Is that a fucking clothes or a fucking? I'm looking for a guy who's
You can eat my breast
yeah.
full.
You can eat my mouth too. Right? So, you know. Here. Just kidding.
Of course not.
Just kidding. I mean, I'm looking for a guy with a
Big balls.
no, not a big ball, with a 4 wheels. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels, and then
Bobo daw nag Panood mo sa image siya, di naman kami kukuha.
and then 4 wheels.
House and lot.
Tama na yun.
Sige na.
Ano to? Save mo. Ay, di, wag yan. Ito. Save. Ito, hindi, pwede ito mo na lang yan. Ito, yan.